Today's lesson on terms of geometry. Make sure you have your worksheet in front of you. I'm going to go through and fill out your worksheet with you. You need to stay with me. If at any point you need to stop this video, feel free to pause it and it will pick up right where you left behind. Now, the first word on this video is the word point. A point holds a place in space. Okay? No length or width or depth. Now, what does it look like? When we graph it, it looks just like that. And how do we name it? We call it A, like this, and then this would become point A. Point A. Okay? Now, what is a line segment? A line segment is the distance between two points. The distance between 2 points. They are end points, not middle points, end points. And what does it look like? Well, it looks like this, A, B. And these are our end points. And what's our symbol? We would write AB, and above it we would do this. Okay, the third one is a ray. A ray has one endpoint, and it extends infinitely, like forever, infinitely in the other direction. How do I draw this? Well, I do this. Point, A, B, and an arrow. It gets one arrow. Okay, if I want to make it symbolically, then I do this. There's my 1 point, and there's my ray. Okay, a line, an infinite amount of points extending in opposite directions. So we can have it look like this. We can have 2 points on here, and this could be called line AB. However, with lines and with some other things, there's always going to be another way to write them. Sometimes you'll see a line, both arrows, and you'll see an italicized letter. That's called line F. Line F. So we can have AB with our notation above, or we can write this out as line F. Line F. A plane. A plane has at least 3 points. Okay? Extending in all directions. Okay? So our plane looks like this, and we tend to always use a rectangle or a parallelogram. Okay? And we could have point A, B, and C. And we would name this plane. Now watch, A, B, C, or plane B, C, A, or plane C, A, B. And just like with the line, sometimes we can have an italicized letter in the corner. And there's our little M in the corner. So this could also be named plane M. The next word is collinear. Collinear, at least. At least means the bare minimum. At least 2 points on the same line. At least 2 points on the same line. So if I want to do this, here's my line, and I have A, and I have B, and I have C, because I told you at least 2 points, okay? And these are points A, B, and C. So then we would say points A, B, and C are collinear. Collinear. The next one is coplanar. Coplanar. That means at least, now remember it took 3 points to make a plane, at least 3 points on the same plane. On the same plane. There we go. We're going to get better at this. Okay? And so I can do this. And I can have A and B and C. And I can say points A, B, C are coplanar. Are coplanar. Okay? Now, the last one, parallel lines. Parallel lines. So, I need to put something to hold my paper so it doesn't move. Let's see if that will keep it from moving. I'm all the way at the bottom, and I'm going to divide this into 2 parts. Let's go back here so you can see. Okay? Parallel. Two lines that are equal distance apart. Okay, and the notation for parallel looks like that. That's your notation for parallel. Now, perpendicular, 2 lines that meet at 90-degree angles. And the notation for perpendicular is here. Now, what are you going to do? I want you to see if you can come up with something, a real world example. I filled in 3 out of 4. Let's see if you can fill in the last column. If you need to stop at any point, pause it, whatever, it will be there.